It happened. I did it. I've been eyeballing these little black sewing machines for like a year on Kijiji. And then this one came into my life. Le Couturier. Is she not dazzling and sparkling and shiny? I don't know much about it. I keep trying to figure out what year this might be from, but nothing really tells me. On some of them, they tell you that the serial number is here. So if anybody knows, there's no way that this is in such beautiful prime condition from the 50s. Also, I have a question for people who might know. There's little chips in the paint here. Is there anything I can do to like touch it up just to make it all pretty? I mean, that's such a small issue, I realize, but it would be nice to fix up. It does work, I understand. Bobbin gets fed through that, around this, through there, and to the needle, and I understand it works. Isn't that a nice angle? That's pretty. It's so pretty. So if anybody knows anything about the Couturier, I like how it says the in English and le, which is the same as the in French. The Le Couturier Sewing Machine Company. And then it has a Royal Crown Deluxe. Don't know what this does. Don't know what this does. I think this is the tension. I think this is the bobbin, but I'm not sure. The bobbin's under here, which looks like it could use the same kind of bobbin head that I'm telling you, it is just eye candy. It's so pretty, and I want to use it, but I'm afraid that I'm gonna mess it up. I don't know how much thread is in the bobbin. I don't know how to re-bobbin it. All right, we just have to do it. Let's try. Way the needle's not moving. This way the needle's moving, so you move it away from you. And now it's stuck. Why is it stuck? Je ne sais pas. Look it, I got it to work. It's pretty fun. It's not fast though. I need an actual crank on the handle, I think. Oh, we're zooming. Look at that. Woohoo! I am so happy right now. I can't imagine doing an entire dress. Can you imagine? Those women are amazing. Okay, let's see if I can get it going. You have to kind of get the ball rolling. I can't spin the wheel, hold the camera, and hold the fabric. Wait, let's try this. See what happens. So, le couturier, ça fait un stitch très bien. Ça couture ici à la maison. The sewing machine is working at the house. Yeah. No back stitch though, so I guess you would just fix your stitch later on. Oh, my arm's tired, but that was fun. Well, I didn't go very straight, but that's where I started holding the camera. But the stitches are kind of small. I'm going to see if I can get them longer. It's fun though, and I really want it for display. I'm not gonna. At this point, I don't see myself sewing a garment. I got it for fun. It was not very expensive, and it is gorgeous. And the tension here made a lot of difference. I was having issues with the thread on the bottom, so I played with this a little. Something over here, I think this line I was reading somewhere is for like a back stitch, but I haven't figured that out. I cannot find anything on this sewing machine online, so if anyone has any information, that would be amazing. And what is this for? I guess different fabrics. It's beautiful. We're just gonna look at it and go, "Hi, Candy, so pretty, so pretty, so pretty." I think I actually need a handle here where it's an actual handle, because spinning just the wheel with your finger gets a little tiring, but we'll see. So fun! So hopefully there's a couple of questions I can get answered from some of you out there. This machine is actually called a Flying Man hand crank or a butterfly. It doesn't have a belt, and it does so with just the handle. I think you can purchase the cranky part because this does get hard to spin after a while. It is a stunning machine. I've not seen anything on any site about Le Couturier, and I'm wondering if anyone knows anything about it. I don't think it's vintage at all. I think it's coming out of Asia, because I see a lot of these coming out of Asia with the beautiful paint. But what happens is, this is actually something I did. The paint is so like so thick or so brittle that it comes out in flakes. So I'm wondering if anybody knows a way in which to make sure it doesn't flake, because over here it's doing it as well. Also, there's no serial number. Usually in the corner you find a serial number. I'm wondering if anyone can tell me what I could do to stop the flaking or the chipping of the paint. I guess it's like a lacquer or something. Like if I picked at that, I could totally pull it all off. But I want to somehow seal it so it doesn't crack anymore. And also, I'm going to have to learn how to do a bobbin, which is up here. Not sure what this is for. Or this. Must be with the bobbin, because not all the machines have it. This actually, you always see them with this extra box because the foot, I guess, can't sit on the table, or it looks better not sitting on the table. It is heavy, that is for sure. It's a heavy machine. And the box seems to be different variations of the box. I can pull it out and show you the bottom. So if you lift it out, it is so heavy. So this is the bottom, and on the rods the word deluxe is written. And God, it's heavy. Sorry. On there it does have a serial number, but I tried to find it and it doesn't mean anything. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna put it back because it's too heavy. It's not fabric. The person who had it before me took great care of it. So this is kind of cool. This opens if you loosen it. It's a beautiful medallion thing. But it opens so that you can go inside to oil it, which is nice, but the medallion's beautiful. I'm I'm guessing that's the same thing with that circle. And the plate on the front is really pretty. It's a beautiful machine and I do love it. It won't be used often, but when I want to play, it'll be there for me. So if anyone can answer any questions about the paint chips, how I can maybe stop it from chipping. Oh, what does that button do? There's your tension. I think that's the back, but it is pretty enough to be the front. Keep inspiring!